SATCO NUVO's UL924 listed LED emergency bypass T8 lamp empowers you to meet critical emergency lighting requirements without the need for costly fixture replacements. This innovative solution allows you to retrofit your existing fixtures, delivering a compliant and cost-effective upgrade that ensures safety and efficiency during power outages. Designed for seamless installation, these lamps provide dependable 90-minute emergency illumination during power failures, automatically turning on when power is cut off. Plus, with selectable color temperatures of 3500 K, 4000 K, and 5000 K, you can tailor the lighting to meet the specific needs of any environment, from offices, schools, and public spaces to warehouses. UL924 is a vital safety standard designed to protect lives. It ensures that emergency lighting products perform reliably during critical moments, providing illumination when it's needed most. Compliance isn't just recommended, it's essential to meet code requirements and safeguard your building's occupants. A built-in test button makes it simple to check the lamp's functionality to ensure ongoing operation, giving you peace of mind that your emergency system is always ready. For this retrofit, it is essential to replace the existing lamp holders with the supplied SATCO NUVO holders and secure the lamp with the provided screws to ensure UL924 compliance. You'll also need to bypass the ballast for proper installation. Always consult a qualified electrician and refer to the installation instructions for a safe and compliant setup. For a smart, budget-friendly upgrade, choose SATCO NUVO's UL924 listed LED emergency bypass T8 lamp, and keep your space illuminated when it matters most.